people with different level and different mindset. Some of them are willing to adapt technology, some of them are reluctant to use technology. How do you convince, like being a industry 4.0, which is it is not very familiar for them, how do you convince them that to use this technology?
I want to add two thoughts here. One is from Dr. Clayton, one of the most famous strategy professor from Harvard Business University. He wrote in this book called Innovator's Dilemma, if you read about that. It's always a challenge for a leader to pick up what is right for the company, right? And if they don't pick up on the time, there will be no time they will be gone. I mean, for example, Blockbuster is a company in US who used to be pioneer for giving the video cassettes, right? Netflix wiped them up in like 4 years because they couldn't change the way how they were doing the business, right? Same way you have heard about Mojaware, right? The company which was the number one making CDs in India, right? They got banished because they couldn't really adopt to the new trends to adopt them. The same thing, and again, for leaders it's difficult, right? I mean, they have like certain capital. If they go invest on something which is challenging and it doesn't work out, they are risking everything. They cannot do that. Especially, okay, founders still have those guts, but again, the CEOs of the companies which has already been established for a long time, it's always difficult for them to do that, right? So Jim Collins is another very famous author. He writes in this book called Beyond Entrepreneurship 2.0. What you should be doing as a leader, you should not be doing a big bang investment in something. What you should be doing, you pick up like 5 initiatives which you think they're going to work and do a small investment in them and then see incremental growth. And then if you see it's working out, then you go ahead and then move forward and then adopt it, right? So that's the way how we can do that. Industry 4.0, IoT and AI adoption is already, so you know the S curve, right? So S curve is like this: early adopters, when things are maturing, adopting them, and then when it's like post, right? So we are on the mature side now. If you don't do it now, it will be too late. So go ahead, I mean, buckle up and then go ahead and then do it.